A320 does a steep takeoff at an airshow in France. This Eurofighter breaks the speed of sound while scrambling to a mission in Ukraine. This TUI 757 does a hard landing at Renji with no flare input. This student pilot was flying a A320 and had an engine failure in training. Luckily, no one was hurt. A BAE Systems Hawk T1 was spotted entering the Mach loop from a photographer. This student pilot had his last flight on a sim until he gets up into the air. Donald Trump arrives at New York in his jet, ready for his court appearance.